in the cables.
Understood. You're there at 35.2 still?
We're probably parked behind the state car.
That's correct.
Wherever
They're
state
stacking
car.
up here.
State car?
Yes, sir. Yeah, wherever state car is.
Yeah, go ahead.
They just got another rig at the same location.
Figures. Oh, they're going back. Right, you can't slow down.
Copy base record for a 33-ton camera at 410.
That's the record. Everybody behind me slow way down.
A mile behind the 250 here. Get this traffic slowed down. But kill us here. Yep, they're on Interstate Interstate. 141 a minute. 141. 18-wheeler's clearing the ramp now. I'm 10-8. Let's go ahead and call the contact mode out and see if they can get them a team set up with some signs down there at 35. 10-4.
Corridor Rescue Pneumatic Communications. We're 1023 at the 35-mile marker.
10-4. 829.
Behind this guy.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Location.
Porterville
There's
Fire, is there any way you
over
can
there.
back up? Just slow traffic down for the deputies there at 35 over 2.
10-3. We'll go ahead and back up. If we can.
141 to Porterville Fire.
141.
If you get where you need more traffic control down there, just let us know. We can send you another truck down there just to help slow it down.
10-4, we'll advise. We're going to deploy our emergency sign here about a mile back and try to get them slow down a little bit.
10-4. Two, 4, copy. Porterville 369, advise if you could go back. I have half a mile north.
10-4, copy direct.
Somebody did that way, Jim.
Good hit.
10-3.
He missed us in the back. He in the ditch again.
Good man, we got another 1050.
141.
We just shut the traffic down. We can't go anywhere. Now what are we gonna do?
We would stay right here.
South of it.
Corridor Fire Pneumatic Communications. Give me more units out here. We're going to need to shut this interstate down. Get cones. Get cones. Look at signs.
379. I'll be 8 years. They call 233. Has a record. Everything's going he's good. I'm going to work north from here. This interstate's getting bad. You want us to page it? Yes, sir. Go ahead. Just send them to the wherever they need to go for blocking.
Rescue 15 141 on the American Fire.
New Enter Fire respond for traffic control. New Enter Fire respond for traffic control. I-55 southbound and
Rescue 15 at 141 on the American County Main.
Go ahead.
I'll go ahead and shut this interstate down. We got both lanes pretty well blocked. Some of them for the truck.
Yeah, do what you got to do. We're sending you another truck and a patrol car now. I'll just go ahead and shut it down. If you want to, when our tanker gets down there, have them take it to the closest overpass to the south. Just do our 141 365. We can have them set up at the Martian overpass for our traffic. Yeah,
15 141. I got 5 trucks off the road.
Glad you got that subject in gear when you did. I'm glad you got that subject in gear when you
They're on scene at the junction with the female.
That ship calling County Troops cleared 833.
We're going to stay here.